All right, so this is the last week of May, first week of September trading. So here we're looking at GBP USD. Last week Friday, we had order block filled on Friday. So entering the week, we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Daily time frame. Let's drop down, let's pull back to the weekly and the monthly just so we can see where we're at. We have a monthly order block there. Okay, cool. Back to the daily, back to the 4 hour. Okay, so in terms of price, let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so this bottom line is that daily order block. So as the week progressed, we have this blue line here, which is a 4 hour order block, I believe, that I just marked up in the beginning of the week. And price came to that. In the middle of the week, we see price come to this area here, which I was kind of looking for because of liquidity here. And then another 4 hour order block. Yep. So here we can see the two order blocks. One here, one here. I marked both. Price came up to this order block, scaled in, scale in again, and I'll scale in one more time. So here, price came to the order block. I wanted a, let's just see. This is Wednesday, New York session. So price came into it, rejected, came back to that order block, pushed down, somewhat of a fair value gap. Price came back up, whatever, yada yada. We got the last tap, market sells off. I was aiming for a 1 hour order block. I fully pulled my profits here. Obviously, I could have targeted this, but since it was Friday, right, I entered the trade on Wednesday. I pulled my profits out on this 1 hour wick here. I'll scale back into the 15. So as soon as price tapped it, that was my full take profit, so I'm out of it. But I think I took everything here, like I said. Regarding that trade, yes, price hit my 4 hour order block on the bottom. Cool. Friday, I took a trade. Took a long. We don't see the wick here, but there is a wick on the MT5 app, in which this was a 1 hour setup. So I was expecting price to come back up. Let's see. Yeah, to this order block here on the 4 hour time frame. So what I wanted was this 1 hour and also 30-minute order block. I was wicked in here. Price shot up about 50 pips, immediately rejected. And that was my second trade of the week for GBP USD. NASDAQ, I took a trade here on Wednesday. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Wait, did I take a trade on Monday? Oh, okay. So I took two trades. One on Tuesday, one on Wednesday. So let's just look at the daily first. Actually, let's look at the Dixie just so we can see, how GBP USD worked out. So we have this here on the bottom, rejection, bullish momentum again. So that's why we get what we saw with GBP USD. Okay, NASDAQ. So we have this daily order block, which price tapped into, then pushed higher. I marked this candle for an order block. I believe 4 hour. Yep, 4 hour. Pushed up. Let's keep going. Don't know why I'm trying to sell, to be honest. I think it's from the larger time frames. So here, order block, expecting a sell to break all of this liquidity here. Did not get that. Minor stop loss. Yep, you can see here. Perfect. So that's what I was expecting. I think I saw this fair value gap get traded into rejection. So I took an entry there. But price obviously did the opposite. All right, here. Let's see. There's obviously. Yeah, so I was playing this order block, which is why I took that entry. So I was in profit. Yeah, this entry was 10 p.m. at night. Boom, and then rejected. Hit my stop loss, which is fine. So here I took another trade within this area. So price pushed up. Started to play around a bit. I saw this fair value gap, the order block, so I took a trade. Reason being is because this whole area here was respecting the fair value gap. So, I took the trade. After price pushed up, immediately sold off. So don't know much there, to be honest. But S&P, so this had perfect market structure compared to the NASDAQ. Very similar to what I just saw on the NASDAQ, right? Larger time frame. Scale all the way out. So liquidity taken or highs taken out here. Market pushed above it on 4 hour, going down to 1 hour now. Yeah, so I think I took this trade just because highs were taken, and I was on the chart during the time. I love these double bottoms for bottom side liquidity, because I'm assuming highs got taken, so here we go. We should short into this area here, which is where my TP is. So on the 15-minute, we do see that bearish candle, fair value gap, perfect to the T. I did not execute on that. I was on the 1 minute. Market pushed down, so I caught some entry here around 10 o'clock, 10:20-ish. And we sold off into those double bottoms. Perfect.